It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome back to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. If you are new, welcome. Come on in and join the Itz Sirap family. Today we are doing a Halloween collab with none other than Rose318. She is my new YouTube friend, and we have been talking about nails and just having a good time. So we decided to bring this collab to you all. So I am going to be using my Afro Glam nails, Monomer of course. And for acrylics, I'm going in first with the Afro Glam nails powder in hibiscus. So I decided to go for these super long stiletto tips. This was one of those, kind of kick yourself out of your comfort zone kind of sets. And the end result is not what I expected it to be, but I loved it even more than what I thought was going to happen. So I did put out a poll about if I should cut the tips down. But in the moment, I was just like, we just gonna go hard or go home. So I kept them long. I laid that acrylic and I did some stamping and I loved it. So I cannot wait for you guys to see the end result. So I did call myself trying to do a pop-off method that did not work for me. I ended up cutting my finger and it was just a mess, y'all. When I say this was a Halloween set, it was definitely that, okay? So the glue that I'm using is the glue that I got from AliExpress. And I'm not going to blend these tips down and all that. I really don't do all that when I do my nails. I just glue the tips on and lay the acrylic, okay? The acrylic is going to cover that up anyway, so I just didn't feel the need. But if you want like a better lay and all that, then blend it in, but I didn't. So I'm going to go in and just start covering up my natural nail with that hibiscus. And I just kind of, just lay a little bit on all the fingers, and then I slowly kind of builded it up. And eventually, when I kind of decided what I wanted to do for the look, I ended up adding more of the hibiscus and bringing it further down the nail. So for this look, I said I wanted to do not red, but kind of close to red. So I thought that this hibiscus would be perfect. And I said I didn't want to do orange, but y'all, I did orange. Orange is, that kind of typical Halloween color, and I didn't want to do orange, but in the moment, it was just necessary. I ended up reaching for a orange double dip powder. I showed it to you all in a double dip haul and in my double dip swatches because I wanted the nails to glow. And when Rose318 sent me a picture of what her nails was looking like, I was like, oh yes, we got to go hard. So I just tried to do my best, getting that cuticle all nice. I went in with like a smaller bead to go from my nail to the tip, and then I went in with another bead at that cuticle to blend it in. And then when I decided that I wanted to do a ombre, with the hibiscus and that double dip glowing orange color. Then I brought this down further and then blended that orange in. So while I was doing my nails, I like to watch TV and stuff while I do my nails. So during this set, I decided to watch Squid Games. And let me know in the comments if you have watched Squid Games. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you thought it was crazy. I thought it was crazy. I don't like what they were doing to the people. I wanted to see why it was happening. Like, why would somebody do this to these people? So that's the main reason why I watched it. My eyes were closed for most of it because I just couldn't do it. And it was just crazy. Like, I don't want to give any spoilers away, but the reason why was just like, really, y'all? Come on. So this is that orange. But let me know in the comments if you was just like, I'm here for it, or if you was like, if you was like, I'm not even gonna watch it because I already know I'm not gonna like it. Let me know in the comments how y'all feel about Squid Games. I thought about doing some Squid Game nails for Halloween, and I don't know if I should. Let me know in the comments what y'all think about it. If y'all want to see me kind of do my version of some Squid Game nails or something, let me know if that's something y'all want to see. So anywhere that I kind of felt the hibiscus was like a little see-through, I went back in and added a little bit more just so that I could have a lot of coverage. I could have added the orange first and then blended the hibiscus down. But because the orange was the glowing color, I kind of wanted to blend that up over the hibiscus. So however you do your ombres is really up to you. This is just how I decided to do it for this set. And if you follow me on Facebook or Instagram and you voted on whether I should cut the nails down or not, thank you for voting. I do plan to have more polls on my channel, and I want to do some random nail challenge videos. I love C's tutorials. Her channel, she does like where the followers pick the designs, and she does like the random nail challenges where she will like spin a wheel to pick the colors and all that. And I think that is just like so fun and exciting. So that's something that I want to start doing on this channel in November. So I just showed you the double dip acrylic and the Afro Glam acrylic, and now I'm using this clear acrylic from Amazon, I believe. I will link it if I can find the link. And I'm just using this clear to encapsulate the nail. So with these nails being really long, I wanted to, you know, build it up. And this is what they look like, y'all. All built up, all encapsulated and everything. So now I'm going to go in with these Afro Glam nails files. This is 80/80. If you trying to file some acrylic, you need some 80/80 files, okay? And with these nails being extra long, I wanted to go in with some strength, okay? Because this was a lot. So as you can see on those sides, it wasn't that smooth, so this file really helped with that. I also went in with my drill. Y'all know the drill is just so fast and so easy, and with these nails being long, it just really helped me out. Then I went back to the file, and then I went back to the drill. So doing these nails took me a hot little minute. I feel like if I had to do both hands like this, I would have literally been here all day. Then I went in with the sanding band, and I basically just kind of gave you guys a gist of everything that I did. So this is after all of the filing is done. I'm just wiping off the nails with some Swipe by Young Nails and a lint-free wipe. And I was like, okay, these look pretty good. Look at you. So now it is time for some stamping, okay? So I actually filmed this video before the video that you guys just saw, and that video was better as far as the stamping with the tools and the techniques and everything. This video was filmed before that, and I used some of these stampers that I grabbed from, I want to say, maybe Amazon, maybe AliExpress, maybe eBay, somewhere online. So I'm going in with this plate, and I felt like I didn't have any Halloween stuff. And then I said, let me look at my plates again, because y'all know I got so many stamping plates. If you haven't seen my stamping plate video, definitely check it out. I have too many probably. And I found this one with the pumpkin and the little ghost, and I was like, this would really pop on that orange. So I put it on the nails, and I, kind of alternated them going down the nails, and I alternated them on each nail, and you'll kind of see what I mean when I show you the completed hand. But in between, I had to wipe the plate off. This is one of those plates that you definitely need to wipe off in between uses. And now I'm going to go in with the other one. And these came in like a little set. It had the stamper and that little scraper. And of course, the lint roller is a must when you are stamping. So I just repeated that, going down each nail. And this is a kind of close-up look of the stamping plate. It would not focus, y'all. But this is what they look like after I put all of those on there, and I was like, yes. So I'm going to use this polish that I got from the Dollar Tree. It is by Kiss, and it's a regular polish, but it's supposed to give you like that gel feel. And one thing that I did was I went over the stamping first, and then I went over the whole nail. So if you have ever stamped before, you know that when you go on top of it with regular polish, sometimes that stamping can fade a little bit. So this is just like my little hack. If you don't have a smudge-free polish or anything like that, I like to go on top of my stamping first, let that dry a little bit, and then I paint over the whole nail. So at this point, y'all, I was really feeling myself okay. But after doing this set and trying to struggle to get them off and all that kind of stuff, if y'all see something else like this, it might be on one of my silicone babies, because it was fun, but trying to remove these was a process. So after I had that polish on, I let them dry a little bit, and this is what they are looking like. And the fun part, of course, I got to turn the lights off so y'all can see them glow. And look how the stamping just comes alive on the glow. I love it. So let me know in the comments if y'all would rock these like in your everyday life. Like if you just love your nails long, let me know. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And guess what, y'all? It's a wrap. Make sure y'all go check out Rose318. Go check her video out. And I'll see you guys in the next one.
It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello, hello. Welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose. Find what you adore. It's a one-stop shop. It's a wrap. Yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.